Hey guys, guess what we got? 2019 Jeep Trackhawk, supercharged, not a Dodge, but a Jeep. In the same family, but a Jeep. Anyways, what we got done on it, it's got a really beautiful color on it. And then you got custom yellow painted thingies on it, like, you know, I don't know. Anyways, what we got done on it, he had high flow cats on it that were throwing a check engine light, but he's got long tube headers there and there. Then we put him two MagnaFlow catalytic converters, high flow, but at the same time California legal emissions. Then he's got 3-inch pipe into two MagnaFlow mufflers, bolt on there and there. Then it's got an aftermarket X pipe that's been seen better days, as you guys can see right there. Then 3-inch pipe, and he had somebody else do a muffler delete on it there, or rear resonator delete, and installed those two MagnaFlows in the middle of the kit. I don't have any part number for you guys. And then he's got rear quad tips, carbon fiber there and there. Jeep Trackhawk. There it is, right there. You guys can see. So we'll lower it, let you guys hear it. It's got a tune on it. It's got a bunch of stuff done to it. I don't even know what it is. It's a friend of mine's, he's selling it. So if you guys want it, let us know in the comments, and we'll get you guys in contact with him for it. But he needed it to pass emissions, so we added the catalytic converters for it to make it pass emissions. Right there. And like always, guys, if you like our content, make sure you subscribe. Sounds really mean. There's that Hemi supercharged beast of a motor with the supercharged SRT, baby, right there. You guys can see. Let me see if I can show you guys the long tube headers. That was probably a really fun project for them to put those long tube headers in there. It was a lot of fun. There it is. Jeep Trackhawk.